Hello everyone, this is Farhana Biti. I am from Chittagong, Bangladesh, and I am sorry, accept my apology. I have some network and internet issue, so that's why I cut this live, and I am live here. So at first, happy Diwali to all of you. Today I'm gonna show you a very simple and traditional Bengali Shongdesh. Each and every festival we all eat sweets. So today I'm gonna show you very simple and easy recipe. You can make it very easy way. So I just wait for too many people, just little bit of people join us. Then I'll start my live.
Radhika said hi.
Hi Radhika. Stay with me, and thank you so much Amul for this platform to showcase ourselves in front of everyone. So today I'm show you my recipe name is Shongdesh. Is sweet dish which is I like to eat in every festival. You can make it very easily. We need not two more things. We need little bit of simple ingredients, which is we have in our home. So I'll show you one by one.
Sherbanu said hi ma'am, low sound, little louder.
Okay, I'll talk louder. This is called curd. At first I prepared it before 30 minutes ago. You can use 1 kg milk or half kg milk, half liter milk, boil it properly, then use 2 tablespoons of water and 2 tablespoons of vinegar, white vinegar you can use for curdle the milk. Then wash it properly in the cold water and hang up for 30 minutes. Then you can get this kind of curdle milk. Then we need milk powder, half cup, liquid milk, 1 cup, raw sugar, or you can use the powder sugar also, and we need 1 cardamom. We need some Amul ghee, which is very lovely and fragrance was so beautiful. Need some condensed milk.
Try to speak louder.
Condensed milk. Volume, you can increase my volume in my mobile.
Yeah.
Okay.
Is this okay?
Yeah. You can read this comment. We need some saffron. Saffron is also immune or boosting system.
Gangadhar, happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali, Gangadhar. And we need some ghee. Then we have lots of nuts like walnut, cashew nut, pistachio, crush. I crush all of this. You can use the crushed pistachio or crush walnut or crush all nuts. When you bite this kind of sweet, you just love it. Okay, let me start. This is our prayer time, and maybe you all hear the azan. take just break for and the azan. Okay. I put 1 cup of milk. I put 1 cup of milk. You can use 2 cups or 1 cups. Then when it's 1 cup, then you will add 1 cardamom. 1 cardamom is just for flavor, nothing else. Raw sugar. Powdered milk. Stir it properly.
Lina Haria said hi.
Hi Lina, how are you?
Rajana Moli, hello.
Hello Mulisa, how are you? If you have any question, then ask me. And if you have any query about sweet dish or any kind of sweet dish, you can ask me. At this time, we add some condensed milk.
Isha Dingra, hello ma'am.
Hello, Isha. Happy Diwali. In this time, I will add some Amul butter. Okay. Now I can talk.
Veena asks about Ras Malai recipe.
Okay. You can prepare this kind of khadam milk you can see it again when you see the live chana proper tarike se katiye, then you can take this kind, you can prepare this kind of rasmalai. I will tell you end of this recipe. You can see the khadam milk is almost mix it up very well. If you need, you can add more milk powder and you can eat sweet as you like or as you need. Wash your hand properly, because in this situation we all need hygiene. When we try food or when we make food, we have to make our hand clean, wash, and we also need food hygiene.
Biplab Kumar, hello.
Hello Biplab. It's almost done. We face very network issues here, so electricity is not working properly.
Nahian, seriously, you are talking in Hindi?
Yes, I love to talk in Hindi. Is Golam Nahian or only Nahian?
Nahian Anaya.
Okay. I love to exactly. Because I know one thing, when I connect people in another country or whatever, I love to this kind of people, languages, that things which is connect people very closely. So we all are, Bangladesh, India is, almost same. We both are together. So language is one thing which is we connect properly to each other. आपके साथ connect करने में मुझे भी easy होगा and आपको भी easy होगा.
Sutaria, hello.
Hi Sutaria, how are you? Happy Diwali. Wine is almost prepared. That time it look like this, thick. That time you put some saffron. This gives you a very fragrance to all of you. Add some crushed pistachio and nuts, whatever you like. In our all festival, we all are like to eat sweet dish, which is Diwali or Eid program. We have Eid, you have a Diwali. But the one thing is common, which is we all eat festivals sweets. So that's why I made it for you guys. You can make it in your home. You can easily make it in 15 to 20 minutes in your home if you have simple ingredients in your home.
Salma Firoz Hossain, hello.
Hello Salma. I will add some butter again. Take one plate or brush Amul butter in this plate because my dough is ready to shape. We need to take time for for little bit of cool. Otherwise, we can't shape it properly. So, because time limitness is we have very time limitness, so that's why I made it. Another piece of shondesh in the morning. I'll show you that one. जब आप ये प्रिपेयर करेंगे आपको ये ठंडा खाने में बहुत मजा आएगा. When it's hot, you can put all nuts, crushed nuts in the shondesh dough and add little bit of saffron.
मीनमय चौधरी, आज मैम आप कहाँ से हो? मैं अभी ज्वाइन किया.
Okay, Minmoy, happy Diwali. I am Farah. I am from Chittagong, Bangladesh. Sharif, can you please bring me the plate from the fridge?
Okay.
It's almost ready. So now we need. I have different kind of cookie cutter. Different kind of cookie cutter. Like this. You can use this or whatever you want. Actually.
जिग्ना मेहता, शेफ आपकी कोई यूट्यूब चैनल है?
मेरे तो यूट्यूब चैनल नहीं है, लेकिन यू कैन फॉलो मी इन द फेसबुक एंड यू कैन फॉलो माई पेज. नेम इज Farabi's Cuisine. And you can also follow me in the Instagram for new recipes and your any queries. My Instagram name is Chef Farabi, so you can follow me there.
जिग्ना मेहता, कितनी देर तक रहेगी?
ये रहेगी आपके पास फ्रिज में. आप 2 weeks 3 weeks तक आराम से रह सकते हो. नो प्रॉब्लम.
रहीमा अहमद तीना, हाय शेफ.
Hi Rahima, how are you? I cut this on this cutter. You can also cut whatever you like, or you can cut only pieces of आप नाइफ से भी काट सकती है, आप कुकी कटर से भी काट सकती है, आप ये डो कटर से भी काट सकती है. मैं ये काटा फ्लावर शेप में. दिस इनटू दिस. सो फ्लावर शेप में भी मैं ये काटा. इट्स अ वेरी सिंपल रेसिपी. आप सब लोग इसे 10 to 15 मिनट्स में प्रिपेयर कर सकती है इन दिस फेस्टिवल सीजन. सो नाउ आई विल.
जिग्ना मेहता, थैंक यू मैम, यम्मी स्वीट डिश.
थैंक यू सो मच. सपोर्ट मी.
मीनमय चौधरी, नाइस.
थैंक यू मिस्टर मिनमॉय.
डिम्पल, हाय.
Hi Dimple. Let me show you. You can do anything whatever you actually like in decoration. Cut it properly and फ्रिज में दीजिए, ठंडा कीजिए एंड खाइए और इस स्वीट डिश को, संदेश को मजा लीजिए. इट्स अ ट्रेडिशनल.
रहीमा अहमद तीना, आर यू फ्रॉम बांग्लादेश?
या आई एम फ्रॉम बांग्लादेश.
शेफ बानू, वेरी नाइस लुक, यम्मी.
Let me show you.
Chef Banu, good presentation.
Thank you, ma'am. Let me show you in front of camera. Yeah, this is my plating.
Shohani there. Hello from Kolkata.
Hi, Shohani. Hello from Bangladesh.
Rahima Ahmed Tina, I am also from Dhaka.
Okay, Rahima. Yeah. You can see my dish.
Sabita said repeat the ingredients please.
Okay, I'll repeat. I just show you how it's look. Hope all are you see this look. Simple ingredients and give you the amazing recipe. Okay.
Pallavi, hi.
Hi Pallavi. Okay, I'll tell you the recipe again. We need 1 kg milk, 1 liter milk, kg is it, 1 liter or half liter milk as per we need. Then I need you need some lemon or vinegar to curdle the milk. Then you wash it properly and hang up for 30 minutes for remove the excess water. Then we need again 1 cup of milk, half cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of condensed milk, 3 tablespoons of amul butter, walnut, pistachio, cashew nut, whatever nuts you have, just crush it. I use walnut, almonds, cashew nut and pistachio, and need some saffron and some milk powder. Hope you clear the ingredients. मैं हिंदी में भी बोलना चाहती हूँ. आप दूध गर्म करने के बाद इसके अंदर आप शुगर दीजिए, एक इलायची दीजिए, कार्डमम दीजिए. इसके बाद शुगर मेल्ट होने के बाद आप इसमें बटर दीजिए, अमूल बटर, एंड आप इसमें छाना ऐड कीजिए, which is you that is curdled milk, and use some powder, milk powder, ghee and saffron. If you want, you can only use butter. If you want, then you can only use ghee. When it's prepared, that time you smoothly plate it for coolness. It's hot yet, so then when it's little bit of hot, then you can cut this kind of you can use this kind of cookie cutter and cut this sandesh. It's almost full. I'll cut one and
Tina,
show you again.
all nuts mixed together, right?
Yeah, right. If you want, then you can use one nuts or whatever you like to eat.
Sabita, thank you.
Most welcome. It's not cool yet, so you have to wait for coolness.
Jigna
Little
Mehta.
bit of,
Jigna Mehta, thank you. Short recipe, ma'am.
yeah. In this festive mood, you all are busy with your hangout and all, so you can try this kind of short recipes. I made it in the morning, so it's very hard right now because I cool it down in the fridge. So you can cut it and cool it down in the fridge. If you have any query, then please ask me anything. Oh, someone asked me for rasmalai recipe. This curded milk you smooth up in the plate and shape it whatever you like, round or oval shape, whatever you like. Then you prepare one good malai, which is give you the taste. Like you can use milk, sugar, condensed milk, and little bit of ghee, one cardamom, and thick it very properly. Then make this chana laddu in this malai. Then you can prepare the ras malai. So though it's not our recipe today, our today's recipe is Bengali Sandesh is almost ready. I
Jigna
hope
Mehta, next time please rasmalai and rasgulla.
Inshallah I will come and in the Amul page again, rasmalai and rasgulla लेकर मैं आऊँगा आपको सिखाने के लिए. Very easy and tasty recipe. You can always make this recipe and tell me how it tastes. You can follow me in the Instagram Chef Farabi. You can follow me in my page Farabi's Cuisine, and you can follow me also for this new recipe and short recipe. Hope you all like it. If you have any queries, then ask me.
Pallavi, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Mrinmoy Chaudhary, thank you. Nice yummy sandesh. Rajia, hello Faradi, assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam, assalamu alaikum Rajia Di. How are you? So, this Diwali recipe is ready to eat. So you can prepare and eat it and tell me what it tastes. Hopefully we see you again, and thank you so much Amul for this platform to showcase ourselves in all over the world. All chefs are showcase their recipes and they share their views with all of you from Bangladesh to India and all over the world. So yeah, thank you so much. Hope we will meet again. If you have any query, then please ask me in my page Farabi's Cuisine, and you can follow me in Instagram Chef Farabi. Yeah, thank you so much. Allah Hafiz. Happy Diwali.